Hello and welcome to a quick presentation about the new functionality and the new look for the variable bar shape included in our Interface Dynamics version 3 software. We're currently running the software in a Honeywell Experience version 4.10.4, but it's also available for newer Honeywell releases. The shape is a vertical bar shape which indicates the current value of an analog device. The moving board is representing the current value. Let's talk about the different sections of the shape. The bottom section is called letterbug and it's used to show a custom defined letter to indicate what kind of physical unit the shape is showing, and it's also used for alarm purpose, but we will talk about that a little bit later. The white area in the center of the shape is a user defined operating range, for instance 600 degree Fahrenheit to 800 degree Fahrenheit, which can be set in the shape properties. The dotted line indicates the center of the operating range. The light gray areas at the above and below the operating range section is called out of range, and it's used to indicate the current value and if it's outside the operating range. A tooltip provides information as tag name, current value, operating range and description. The shape also provides a functionality called rate of change. The rate of change is used to indicate if the current value is changing and how fast and in which direction. There are three different rates, each one identified by a defined number of arrows in the ball itself. We name them detected rate, higher rate and highest rate. The idea is to give operators a visual indication how fast the value is changing to make sure he can react early enough to keep the unit in a stable operation. The rate of change is calculated in a custom algorithm block. The shape does also indicate if the current value is outside of the operating range. The out of range section will turn black to have a visual indication for operation, like you can see. Alarming is also provided by the shape. There are three different alarm states: urgent, high and low. The borderline changes according to the priority color and the alarm icon will be visible in the letterbug area. There are two additional states for shelved alarm, identified by a question moon, and disabled alarm, and journal only, indicated by a question moon with an X inside. The shape will also indicate if a current value is in bad PV or if anything is wrong configured. The configuration color is set to green if the tag name doesn't exist or any parameter doesn't exist. The bad PV will turn the whole bar into a black to indicate the current PV is not valid or NaN. The whole shape and all color-based functionalities are tied into a style sheet and can be changed to any custom specific color. I hope you enjoyed the short demo and feel free to send us any question you have. Thank you very much.